everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sherry. If you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for checking it out. I have a lot of videos on here, a lot of different content, some beauty, fashion, fitness, lifestyle, and now pregnancy content. So this video is another belly bundle unboxing. I did one last month. If I'm out of breath, the pregnancy just makes me so much more out of breath lately. So I apologize if I'm gasping for air. No, I didn't just run up a flight of stairs. I'm literally just sitting down. But that's my life now. But yes, so I'm here with the May Belly Bundle box. Alright, just gonna move all these squiggly guys out of the way. Let's see what we've got. Looks like a little tote bag, which is really nice. I love using tote bags for like the grocery store or like when we go to the beach or something. It just says mama on it. Mama. So cute. It looks like it zippers on the top. It's actually a really nice quality bag, like a little tote. Perfect if you just need something to like go on like a day activity with. You can just throw some stuff in here. It's perfect size. There's like a little pocket inside. Zippers at the top. Really useful. We have so many bags, but you can never have too many bags. Sometimes you need to lend some to people, and we have plenty to spare. So really cute. Love that. Love how good material and good quality it is. Really appreciate that. You feel like your money is really being invested. Another sticker. I don't know who you'll be, but I know you'll be my everything. So cute. I don't know where I'm going to put all these stickers, but maybe I'll find somewhere to stick them, or you can just prop it up somewhere. Ooh, a sleep mask. I should actually start wearing one because when we were on our honeymoon, funny story, so we stayed in a place in St. Lucia where the fourth wall was missing, and you could hear all the bugs and birds at night, and in the morning the light came right in. You could hear all the sounds. There was like feral cats like rooting around, and it was very hard for me to sleep because I'm a very light sleeper. My husband was out cold. You can sleep through anything, but I had to wear like earplugs and an eye mask. I must have looked really funny, but it actually really helped. It wasn't as like I always thought like eye masks would be like annoying or like something on your face, but yeah, cute little eye mask. Sleeping for two. So cute. So I'll keep that by my bedside. Maybe I'll use that, or just like when I'm traveling. My dog thought this was the perfect opportunity to grab a drink. So every time I film, he's like drinking water. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh my god, this looks like one of these bibs that I wanted. Yes, I already have one of these on my registry. It's like one of these rubber bibs with like a little pocket to catch things in. How cute! It's black and white, has like little shapes on it. You can adjust the neck as like different notches on it. But yeah, rubber bib thingy, so that's for baby. So cute. So funny because I already have like a couple of these on my registry, like the rubber bibs with like the food catcher. So that's awesome. Gender neutral, so we love that because we're not finding out the sex of the baby till it's born. Couple more things. You've got a stroller tag. Stroller tag. Okay, so maybe if like, I don't know, you have your identification on your stroller. I don't know if I'll ever use things like this, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Little keychain that says mama. Same kind of style as the tote bag. So yeah, that's cute. Little keychain. And then I think there is a couple things left. Ooh, we have some clothing items. Oh, feels so soft. Oh my god. I love the black shirt. It says bump. How cute. Oh my god. I love this so much. And has the stretchy size for when your bump gets bigger. But yeah, really cute and cozy. I love tops that I can just lounge in, wear to bed. I mean, I'm all about that comfy life right now, so this is perfect. So soft. It's like buttery soft. So love that shirt. Ooh, a belly band. Oh my god, because I was not going to get myself one. I'm really happy this is in here. Oh my god, this is awesome. So we got a little belly band. So you can wear your stuff and then this will cover your stomach. And then it has room for your bump to grow. So really spandexy. I am a size small and everything. That's what I chose. So hopefully it fits well. It looks like it's really nice material, stretchy, hugs you in. And then it has, you know, enough room for your growing bump. So that's awesome. That's going to come in handy. That's everything for this box. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like what you see, I'll leave Belly Bundles information down below in the description box. Definitely check them out. They have different subscriptions, or you could just do month to month. They have a discount for your first box. So depending on the subscription you choose, you usually get it like more than half off. So it's a great deal. Definitely give it a go. You can cancel your subscription at any time, so there's no heavy commitments or anything. And yeah, you get really good stuff for your buck, and it's a great way to treat yourself because you're doing a lot growing a baby and you deserve to pamper yourself and get treated. So I think it's a really cool idea all around. And yeah, that's it guys. Till I see you guys in my next video. Bye.